Today we are going to talk about very interesting topic. If you have looked at Python programs, you might have noticed this line, and this is very common in any Python program. Let's see what this is. It is saying if underscore underscore name equal to underscore underscore main. Let's first check out what is underscore underscore name. If you have idle open, let me open idle first. We will see what is the value of underscore underscore name. When I do this, it is telling me the value of this particular variable is main. So this is a predefined variable in Python which gets set to main if you run here. For example, if you run area.py directly, then this will be set as main. So let's just run it. You see it is now calculating the area. Okay, so this thing is used as kind of like an entry point for any Python program. Now, if you have done any coding in C or Java, the entry point in those programming languages is main function as shown here. So if you recall, if you are in C or Java, this is the function from where your program execution begins. That's why it is called an entry point. Similarly, in Python, this thing is often used as an entry point inside the program. Okay, now when does the value of underscore underscore name is something other than main? Well, if you have another file called caller.py where you are importing area module, so you are importing area meaning you are importing all the code in area.py file, which is here, and I'm saying I'm in caller.py and you are calculating the area. Okay, now if you are in here in area, I'm just going to print the value of the name. Okay, so underscore underscore name. Let's see what is the value of underscore underscore name when we call it from caller.py. Okay, so I'm saying I am in caller.py. Let me add one more line here saying that I am in area.py. Okay, and first I will execute area.py and caller.py and we will see the difference of this print statement. Okay, now this time I'm going to execute it in a little different way. Usually I run it from PyCharm editor itself, but today I'm going to show you how you can run any Python file using Windows command prompt. Okay, I have Windows command prompt open here and I am in the directory where I have area.py and caller.py. Okay, now if I want to execute area.py directly, then this is how I will execute it. I will say Python area.py. So Python is my interpreter and I'm executing area.py. When I say this, I get I am in area.py and the value of underscore underscore name is underscore underscore main. Okay, let's see what happens if you execute caller.py. When you do that, it is saying that I am in caller.py, but the underscore underscore name value is now area. So if you compare that with here, it begin execution of this program and that's why it printed I am in caller.py here, and from here it went into another file which is area. So it went in here, and when it started executing calculate area, the value of underscore underscore name was area. So the summary here is when you execute Python area.py directly, the value of underscore underscore name is main, and when you execute it from some other file, the value of that variable is the name of that module. Here we are treating area.py as a module. Okay, so that was all about underscore underscore name. Thanks for watching.